remember which one is your left hand?
This.
That's your right hand.
This?
Remember? Left hand's on this side.
Oh.
Remember you can see an L here? See that? An L for left. And then this one's your right hand. We're going to watch a video recap, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
There's two laptops.
Let's learn our right from our left together. Right arm up, right arm down. Make circles, circles all around. Good job. Left arm up, left arm down. Make circles all around. Let's jump.
All right. So which one's our left hand now?
This one.
This one. And then our right hand? This one.
I have a question.
Yeah, what's your question?
But wasn't that her right hand?
All right. So next we're going to move on to a couple other different locations. So we're going to watch this video and they're going to teach you a few new things and then we're going to review them afterwards.
Smile and learn. Hello, friends. Today we're going to learn words that tell us where things are. Our friend Chester will help us. Where is Chester? Chester is in the box. He's in it. The cat is in the box. And now, where is Chester? Chester is in front of the box. He's in the front. The cat is in front of the box. Where is Chester? Chester is next to the box. He's next to it. The cat is next to the box. Where is Chester now? Chester is under the box. He's under it. The cat is under the box.
If it was holding it, it's going
Where is
back.
Chester? Chester is on top of the box. He's on top of it. The cat is on top of the box. Where is Chester? Chester is between the boxes. He's between them. The cat is between the boxes. In the box. In front of the box. Next to the box. Under the box.
That's the funniest one.
On top of the box.
And
Between the boxes. Let's see how you'll be getting out of there, Chester. See you around.
Uh-oh.
All right. So now we learned a few new words. You already knew what most of those were, right?
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to look at a couple other examples right here. So we're going to look at the bear, okay, in relation to the other object. So right here, you see, is the bear near or far? Is he closer to you guys or is he further away from you guys?
further.
Farther? Well, what about right here? Can you see him clear here or right here?
Right there.
This one here?
Right there.
So then he would be near. You see how you can see him better? And then here?
I can't.
Yeah, so that means he's farther.
Oh, okay.
All right, here. Where is the bear? Is the bear above the cat or below the cat?
Above.
The bear, yes. The
Yeah.
bear is above the cat. What about in this one?
Lower.
Below.
Below, yeah, the bear is below the balloon.
I can't see very well. It's too sunny.
Oh, yeah, it is. Right.
And this one here, is the bear on the left of the duck or on the right of the duck? Which one's your left? Do you remember? Left. So is he on the left of the duck or the right of the duck?
Left.
The left. What about here? Is he on the left of the balloon or on the right of the balloon?
The right.
The right, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and here, is he in front of the bowl or is he behind the bowl?
Behind.
He's behind, So here, is he in front of the bowl or is he behind the bowl?
Front.
In front of? Okay. Now we're gonna go over them one more time. Each of you get to answer in order. We're gonna start here with Derek. Is he near or far?
Near.
And then Bo, in this one, is he near or far?
Far.
Far. Heather, here, is the bear above or below the cap?
Above.
Holly, in this one, is the bear above the balloon or below the balloon?
Below.
Yes. And this one, is the bear on the left or the right of the duck, Derek?
Right.
Remember, if you lift up your hand, you can see an L. Lift up both of your hands and see which one is your left hand. That one. So is he on the left of the duck or on the right of the duck?
Left.
But on this one, is the bear on the right or on the left of the balloon?
The right.
The right, yes. Heather, on this one, is he behind the bowl or in front of the bowl?
Hiding behind.
And then Holly, lastly, is he in front of the bowl or behind the bowl?
I think he's in front.
Yes. Good job. All right, guys. So now we're going to go over this activity here. We're going to go over it together. I'm going to put some crayons here because once we finish going over it, I'll give you guys a little bit of time to color in your pictures.
Yay. Love to color.
Me too. You never color only once.
All right. Go ahead and start by grabbing one crayon.
I have to go forward and get some of these. This one. This one's really.
You guys shouldn't be writing on your papers just yet. Not yet.
Oh, Bo is.
I didn't know it's on. Linda! I don't like this.
It's okay, Bo. Go ahead and grab your crayon and then we're going to do the activity together.
No!
Alrighty, so let's look at the first picture here in the top left. Do you remember which one's your left, Bo? That one? Yep. Okay, so where's the top left? Which square is that? This one right here, right? So we're going to look at the birdie. Is the birdie above the tree or below the tree?
I think higher above, right?
Above? Yeah, that's right. He's above the tree. So go ahead and circle above on the left-hand side. Alrighty, and then the next one is the little birdie above the tree or below the tree? The little birdie, is he above or below?
I think below.
Below, yeah, he's below the tree. And the next one, it's okay. Just guess. It's okay. It's fine. I know. Look at right here. You see the little birdie? You see the little birdie here? Is he on top of the flower or is he under the flower? Yeah, he's on top of the flower. So right here, can you circle this one? Circle that one with your crayon. He's on top of the flower. Good job.
Bo.
What about here? Is he on top of the flower or is he under the flower? Under, okay, so right here, circle this one.
Wow,
He's
Bo, good job.
under. There you go. Alright, I'm gonna move over here, okay?
You're good at
So now
this.
we're gonna go down to this one on the bottom, okay? Is he behind the tree or is he beside the tree? What does it look like? Look on here. You can look right here. Follow along with me on your sheet. Right here, the little birdie. Is he behind the tree or beside the tree?
Beside.
Beside. There you go.
Yeah, that's good.
Alrighty, and your next one, does the little birdie look like he's behind the flower, or does it look like he's beside the flower? Remember, you can follow along on your worksheet right there, that way you can see better. What does it look like? Does he look like he's behind the flower? Or
Behind.
Behind? Okay, yep. So
Which
you,
one do I do?
the first one, right here, on the left side. There you go. And then the next one, you know this one, Bo. Is he
Between.
Yep, there you go. So you'll circle the one that's on your left hand side. That's your between. Good job. And then the last one. Does it look like he's in front of the flower or
There's so many
between?
lines.
See, between the flower or in front of the flower?
And so,
In front, so that's the one on your right hand side there. In front of. Alright, I'm going to give you guys a minute. You guys can color in your pictures and then we're going to move on to the next activity.
Can we do a different color?
Yeah, you guys can use any of the colors in there.
Yay!
Thank you, Mrs. Briner.
why do you have to go like that?
My background.
It's not how you color.
Derek, that doesn't look very nice. Don't you think that you could color in things? I think the green would be perfect for the tree. And then put a little bit more detail in there. Do you think your mom will be happy when she sees how you colored that? Try and grab a couple different colors. Maybe you could try and get in the lines a little.
Okay.
Sorry, colors is one tree.
Bo, can I use that color when you're finished?
I don't know.
Oh, thank you.
I need a sharpened one.
Teacher, do you have a crayon sharpener?
No, we don't have a crayon sharpener.
Oh.
Just use those ones as best as you can.
Okay.
Okay. Well, at least there's one sharpened one right here.
Yeah, at least I agree. I'll tell my mommy you need more crayons. Sharp ones.
And I'm just gonna do a tree that's red too.
Oh my
Cause
goodness.
you know, some leaves can be red.
Yeah, I've seen one of those.
Is that better?
Yeah, that's looking good. Keep going. Go ahead and color all of them, even the birdie.
That's gonna die soon.
Teacher, may I have a drink of water?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, thank you.
Why do you have to do that in front of everyone?
Oh, sorry.
I just probably.
Already start finishing up your drawings. We're about to move on to the next
Mrs.
activity.
Briner, I'm not close to being done yet.
It's okay.
Me neither. My mommy will not be happy with this.
See, I colored everything.
You just coloring the flowers. My body's gonna be pink. If you need pink, it's right here. You know.
Okay, thank you. I don't think I have anything pink on my sheet though.
I'm just gonna put it right in front.
Just that part.
I'm trying to get a color.
Alrighty, class, let's stand up one at a time. We're gonna stay calm. We're not gonna run. Come over here and put your worksheet in the tray. Make sure you guys have your names on them.
Oh no.
Are you serious? Is it not? I'm doing a sharpened one. Where's pink? I don't want this.
What's the
All right,
date
there.
today?
It's okay, you don't need to put the date. Go ahead and place it in the tray over there. No running.
Or
This is.
In the tray right here.
Bo's a rotten egg. Last one to
gonna show you guys this one now. You guys are gonna take this home and do it with your mom so you can show her some of the new words that you guys learned today. So there's 4 here that you have to do. What you guys have to do is you have to color in the object that is whatever's of the word. So the first one says in. So we're gonna do the first one together, and then the other 3 you'll have to do on your own at home with mom and dad. So what in this picture right here, what is inside the box?
Robot.
Robot, okay. Is there anything else inside the box?
Some stuffed animal or something.
Yeah. So these we would call them toys, right?
Oh.
This would be a toy box. So there's toys inside the box. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna color in the toys, okay? So we're gonna do you wanna do the stuffed animal purple or the robot purple?
Robot.
Robot, alright. So I'm gonna start, I'm gonna color in this robot purple. Alright. What color should we do the teddy bear? Do you want him red, green, blue, orange?
Brown.
With a red nose.
With a red nose?
I can't see the red.
Me neither, Bo.
Why some markers have the same color and some don't?
Just the way they designed them, I guess, huh? Alrighty. So now here we can see I only colored in the toys that are inside the box. I didn't do the ones that are outside because it wants to know in. So then when you guys are home, this one goes over what's on. This one's asking you what's behind. And then this one's asking you what's in front. So you'll be doing the same thing we just did here. And you'll be coloring in the objects to answer which word is what. And make sure you guys put your name on it and bring it to our next class tomorrow. Can we go over again? Which one's your left hand? There you go. Good job. Remember, you always look. If you have your L here, then that one's your left hand. Which one's your right hand? That one? Good job. All right. And then here is the bear near or far?
Near,
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 near.
And then in this one, is
Far.
he's far. Good job,
Far
Bo.
away.
What about right here? Where's the bear? Yep, he's above the
Above.
cat. And then this one?
Under.
Yep, he's under and below.
I was about to say he's flying on a balloon.
Uh-huh, it looks like it, huh?
Below.
So he's below the balloon. What about here in this one? Is the bear on the left or the right of the duck?
The left.
The left, good job. And on this one? Is he on the right or the left of the balloon?
Right.
Right.
Okay, is he behind the bowl or in front of the bowl?
Behind.
Behind, yep. And here, is he in front of the bowl or behind the bowl?
Front.
In front.
All right, good job. I'm gonna hand these out to you and we're gonna go put them in your backpacks right now, okay
I
guys?
don't have a backpack.
Can we put our name on it right now? So
No, we're gonna wait. Just take it home and you can complete it at home, okay? And bring it to class tomorrow.
what if I forget the answer to the first one? Should we color that now?
You could, no, we'll do it at home. You could go over it with your parents to make sure that you're coloring in the correct objects.
Here you go.